Hello and welcome to my kitchen, and boy do I have a treat for you today. I've not only got my mum here, but also she's going to show how she makes her garam masala, and her garam masala is so good. She actually makes so much of it, actually 6.3 kg of garam masala at one time, and then she says it lasts her a couple of years, and then she bottles it and gives it to all her family members, takes it to India, and everybody loves her garam masala. So today that's what we're going to show you. Let's get cooking. So there's a little bit of a story here. Yesterday I called up my mum and she answered the phone after some time, and I said, "Mum, what are you doing?" And she said, "I'm making garam masala." So I told her, "Stop, because I want to show my viewers how you make garam masala. So bring some of the spices." So she brought over some of her spice mix, and that's what we're going to show you how to do. Now I know my mum makes over 6 kg of this garam masala, but if you go to my website milhan.com, over there I'm going to have a measurement so that you can make a smaller proportion of garam masala for yourself. So let's go through these spices that she's got here. So here we have cinnamon sticks or cinnamon bark, which is cassia. We've got cardamom seeds as well as whole cardamom. We've got some cloves, we've got white pepper and black peppercorn, we've got some coriander seeds, some cumin seeds. This here is a black cardamom or Elcho. Here, this is dry ginger, and my mum likes to put dry ginger in, and she's cut it up into small pieces. So dry ginger, star anise or Badia, nutmeg, which is also broken up into small pieces. We've got some mace here, and we've got some bay leaves. Now, in addition to all these whole spices, my mom also adds some dry ginger powder or soot, and also some cinnamon powder. But for the measurements, again, I'm going to refer you to my website milhan.com. Now the next step is to put these dry whole spices into an oven tray and roast them just to get them to release their oils and the fragrance. So we're just going to let these roast for about 10 minutes in an oven at 160 degrees centigrade. Once it's done, you'll be able to smell all the spices, and now we're just going to let it completely cool down before we start grinding. Now that my spices have cooled down, I can grind them up, and for that I'm using my Blendtec blender because it's really industrial strength. To grind these spices, because you've got like whole cinnamon sticks and the whole ginger in there, you need a really strong machine. So make sure that you're using something that's really strong, right, Mum?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so I'm just going to put handfuls, a little bit, okay, a little bit at a time in this mixer, and then start grinding.
થોડું છે ને બીજું અંદર નાખો.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So put more. Then it together it will grind better.
Oh, I see. Okay, so once you've ground some of the spice in there, then add some more whole spice and
Do it together.
grind it again together.
Add some more.
Add some more.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So you can see that it's fairly well ground.
Yeah. So then machine strong હોય ને તો સારું સાથે ધરાઈ જાય.
Okay, so it makes it easier on the
Easier.
machine. That's what my mum is saying. All right.
Well done.
Then you're going to need a sieve, but make sure that it's not too fine. And we're just going to sieve the ground garam masala to remove any large pieces of spices that remain. You want to see, Mom?
Yeah, perfect. Nice.
Feels good?
Yeah, good.
Okay, so
Just right.
you just want to make sure it's smooth, no?
Yeah.
And you can see the larger pieces are here, and we're just going to grind that up again.
Smell nice too.
Yeah, it smells really good. So this is what came out from the sieving. I'm going to go ahead and put that back into my blender and add some more of the allspice and grind it up.
Yeah.
And just continue grinding and sieving.
Smell is very nice.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Mm.
Okay, Mom. Now keep grinding this as well. Keep going.
Yeah, keep going. Grind more so it will be finished. You know?
Okay.
Only little left now.
Yeah,
Grind more and પછી નાખી દેવાનું.
Okay, so we're just grinding and trying to get this as fine as possible.
Yeah.
So this is the last little bit that I'm going to try and grind.
You can throw it inside.
Okay, this is the last little bit.
Yeah.
Just make sure I've got all of this goodness in there.
Yeah, ready.
And then just add the ginger powder in and the cinnamon powder and give it a good mix. Wow, yummy.
Smell nice.
Yeah, it smells really nice. And the garam masala is ready to be bottled. Yeah, lovely.
You can use in all vegetable or chicken or
anything there.
Yeah.
It smells really good. Smells so good, Mom. Okay,
Yeah.
so now I'm going to put it in this clean, dry jar.
Yeah.
And you said once you put it in, how long does it last?
Oh, year, 2 year, 3 year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It doesn't go bad?
No, not at all. But you have to cover up with a clean foil.
Oh, cling film.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it stay doesn't is still same, staying, smell and everything.
Okay, so you mean like put cling film on top?
Yeah.
Okay, so it just makes it airtight.
Yeah.
All right, very good. Wow. I am so lucky to have you.
I'm lucky too to have you.
So I can, learn all these yummy recipes.
Yeah. Just right for the bottle?
I think so. Okay, so my bottle is almost full. And
clean foil.
Put cling film on the lid. Okay.
Yeah.
So make it just
so,
to cover it, right?
Yeah,
and then put the lid on.
Yeah. Tight.
Awesome. Okay, so my garam masala is ready. Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So don't forget to visit my website, milhan.com, and just type in the search bar garam masala and the recipe will come up with all the measurements so you can make this at home yourself. And it will just change the taste of your cooking because you're making this masala at home. When you buy it from the shops, it's just not the same. So definitely try this out. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.
Thank you for watching us.
Oh. Thanks, Mom.
Okay.